Greetings, I'm Nora. Welcome to the Divine Space. Let's go ahead and get into our energy to see what type you got going on. Gratitude for hitting that like button, shares, comments, as well as subscribing. I appreciate every last one of you. Take what resonate, leave what does not. Personal readings down below in the description box. All right, let's go ahead and get into it. Good morning, good evening, good afternoon. What's happening, though? What's happening? What's going on? What's going on with the collective? What is it that the Divine Space family, friends, and collective? Oh, that went back in. That went back in. Okay. What's happening? One more. At the bottom of the deck, I am definitely showing high vibrational. That's what I'm talking about. I love me some high vibrational energy. All right. So let's see what's happening. So the first card that came out is complicated. So there's some sort of complication here. Something has happened in the past, and it seems like in the present energy, it seems like there is no contact with whoever this person is. I'm showing that there is a friendship here in the near future that you will have. And it seems like the connection that you will have in regards to this friendship, it seems like it will be very high vibrational. Is what I'm seeing here. So it seems like this friendship could be high vibrational, or I feel like this friendship could grow to be something else because on the card, you see how, it could be same sex. I'm saying opposite sex, place it whatever way it needs to be placed. Because for some reason, I feel like it could grow to be something more. It seems like you guys are definitely meant to be more. You see what I'm saying with this high vibrational, how they looking at one another? But it seems like it starts as friends. We started as friends type of situation. What's going on? Clarify, it's complicated. It's complicated. It's complicated. Clarify, no contact. But I'm seeing you guys used to be like I heard two peas in a pod with someone or something like that. I'm seeing two little birds here. Two little birds sitting on a limb, sitting on a perch, sitting on a tree. KISS. So this is somebody you used to kiss that you're no longer communicating with. KISSING. Friendship. Oh, you don't even see this person. You don't even see it coming at the bottom of the deck. I am definitely seeing curse. I'm seeing catastrophe and misfortune. This could even be hate. Somebody send evil eye and hate towards your future. But clarifying is complicated. It seems like something has happened. Whatever this is that's complicated that has happened, because I see fire here, so it seems like there might be something fiery, something with, something passionate has happened or something like that. But I'm saying clarifying is complicated with blessing. So whatever complication this was, it seems like it happened in your favor though. It was a blessing. Number 23 could be significant, which moved you to this period of no contact, causing you to go no contact with someone. But with you going no contact with someone, it seems like it opened doors for you with this luck card. It looks like it's definitely some sort of doors open for you where there's an energy of you reaping some sort of reward, obtaining some sort of reward or something like that. It could be financially, and if not just simply financially, it could also be, energetically with this person you get ready to meet. Clarifying this friendship is blind. This is definitely someone you possibly not your usual person that you'll communicate with. This is someone that when you first meet them, you don't see them as anything more than just a friend as well. It's like an energy of it's like you're unknown. Like, I feel like whoever you are, I feel like you're very intuitive and very psychic. You get what I'm saying? You have a strong inner knowing, but I feel like this friendship or connection that you have with this person, I feel like spirit blind you from purposefully. That's what I'm seeing here. You're supposed to, instead of going off what you see, you're supposed to go off what you feel. Ooh, that's why you're blind. You're not going off what you see, you're going off what you feel. The number 9 is here. I'm definitely seeing a closing or ending of some sort of cycle that you possibly were in before. 2332 is out here. I feel like you have an energy of someone that will be sending some sort of hate towards a connection. But with this connection, it seems like this is a trusting alliance. This one, like I said, this grows to be someone. This is a high vibrational connection. This grows into someone that you, like I said, family. Grow into something more. This is a trusted alliance. This is someone that you are compatible with. This is an energy of you guys being honest with one another, but you have somebody that may be sending some sort of hate or some sort of misfortune, possibly even tried to curse you to keep you from like getting anyone else. This is an energy of someone that's like, you, if I can't have you, no one else can, type of energy. You get what I'm saying? I'm gonna make it like put, I don't know. This is ridiculous, y'all. Let me, what tarot? It's right here in my hand. I'm gonna say what the tarot at. Let's go and get into it. That card flew. Queen of Cups. I mean Queen of Pentacles. Queen of Cups could definitely be in regards to this as well. Feminine energy, water sign, strong Cancer, or it could be Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. But I'm going to take the card that flew, the Queen of Pentacles energy. I'm seeing someone has, earth in their chart, someone that's down to earth, very generous, financially responsible, so a secure woman or masculine energy, businessman, businesswoman energy. What's happening? Y'all, look who came out. Look who came out, y'all. Queen of Cups then came out, y'all. Look, clarify this Queen of Pentacles energy. Behind your back, it looked like there was some sort of betrayal, some sort of deceit, some sort of lie, some sort of backstabbing, possibly from a water sign. Cancer, Scorpio, Pisces. Like I said, it could be masculine or feminine energy, but I am seeing an energy of you guys withdrawing your energy and walking away. Okay? Letting something go. Yeah, I'm seeing you walking away and having to make some sort of choice or decision, especially when it comes to some sort of connection. That's what I'm seeing here. What's going on? Yeah, I feel like whoever this person is was possibly someone that you gave to, or possibly very generous with, or helped them in some form of fashion, because I'm seeing giving and receiving. All right. With the Six of Pentacles energy is also like a benevolent energy as well. Whoever you are, you could possibly be like an earth angel. And we got the Queen of Cups and a King of Cups out here. So someone may have been, it might have been you and somebody that was in a relationship, maybe significant here. Something happened between you and somebody that was in a relationship, and I see you being moved to calmer waters. That's what I'm seeing. Moving from some sort of turbulence or some sort of issues, and you moving away restores some sort of harmony in your energy. It seems like there was some sort of conflict because of somebody else that was in someone else's energy, is what I'm seeing here. And with you being moved to calmer water, I am seeing an energy of wish fulfillment. There's an energy of happiness. There's an energy of patience and peace. I'm seeing comfort. I'm also seeing there's an energy of you guys sitting in some sort of luxury. You're coming out as there's a magician out here. What is this magician energy? This could talk about an energy of you guys manifesting. Okay, this could also be like an energy of you having all the tools internally, externally. All right, very resourceful type of energy. Very creative is what I'm seeing. Okay, and I'm seeing with this magician, there's an energy. Like I said, if this is some sort of manifestation, it looks like it comes into fruition because we have the Sun card here. The Sun card talks about success, happiness, prosperity, love, joy, and satisfaction as you continue to move forward with this Chariot card. This is talking about you overcoming adversity. Okay, there's an energy of some sort of success, overcoming some sort of obstacle. This is an energy of you having victory. Yeah, a closing of a cycle. I'm not playing. Look, Six of Wands is at the bottom of the deck. Yeah, it's like you obtain some sort of victory. There's energy of you guys moving on. It seems like you guys will be receiving a lot of like public, I want to say public recognition or something, or a whole lot of eyes going to definitely be on you when you get into this connection. Like I stated, it starts off as friends and it grows into something more. And you got, man, people that's already counting you out, or working, trying to work against you by sending evil eye, hate, misfortune, and possibly even try to curse your love life or curse your money or mess with you in some sort of fashion. But I'm seeing in the end, you in the war. You win the war. You may not have won some sort of fight, but I'm definitely showing here that in the end, I'm seeing an energy of you winning the war. There's energy of you being supported. There's energy of you being praised. There's energy of you having progression while this person is experiencing some sort of financial hardship or dealing with some sort of financial issues of their own that they need to deal with. I'm seeing some sort of lack of stability. I'm seeing this person missing opportunities left and right because of their own energy. Their own energy. This person is in low vibrational energy, and what you got have coming towards you is because you are in high vibrational energy. So what they put out is what they get in that low vibrational what is it, self node energy. That's what they get. Missed opportunities. I'm seeing them financial lack. I'm seeing an energy of bad luck. I'm seeing unemployment. Okay, this person focusing on material and the material is running away from them is what I'm seeing here. And this person is thinking that it's divine timing, but actually, yeah, because of the shit that you have done. Everything, all this has happened is because of your progression, your patience. I'm seeing you moving forward. I'm seeing things changing for the best for you. Very conservative, masculine or feminine energy is what I'm seeing here. And there's still, like I said, you are still persevering regardless. Y'all have a good one.
Can't keep going back to what I used to know. Love these hearts.